Welcome back! Today on Joan's Kitchen, we're going to prepare a special Valentine Martini in honor of Valentine's Day. And I have a couple special guests that are going to show up to taste it when we're finished. So let's get started. We have a pitcher here that I'm going to stir some vodka and pomegranate juice. We're going to use 2 parts of vodka and there's 2. This is going to be so delicious. And then, you know, pomegranate juice is actually very healthy, full of antioxidants. So, nothing wrong with that. And then there's 2 of those that go in. This is going to make 2 Valentinis or martinis. And then we're going to put a little bit of Pusser's rum. Just a little bit. We'll put just 1 in for a little extra flavor. And then I'm going to add just a splash of lime juice. The juice of half a lime in each. So we have that. Then I'm going to add a little bit of ice. This is going to be kind of noisy. See if I can add it quietly. There. Okay. And we're going to stir that. The vodka, the pomegranate, the rum, the lime. What do you think? Is that cold enough? Oh, it feels a little cold. It doesn't have to be icy cold. There. Then, I'm going to bring my martini glasses over here because this couple that's going to show up is really going to love this drink. Okay, now I'm going to kind of keep the ice cubes from falling in. Isn't that pretty? Add a little bit more on this side. And then there's one more ingredient that I'm going to add, just to give it a little bubbly flavor. And that's a splash of ginger ale. A little splash there, a little splash there. And then, to make it really pretty, because Valentine's Day is all about red and hearts, here are some strawberries that I just sliced, and they look just like a heart. So I'm going to pop those in there just to kind of float on the top. And there we have it. The Valentine Martini. So now it's time to reveal our special guest stars who actually starred in a Broadway production, Pajama Game, right in our own Freedom Hall this last November. Sid Sorokin and Babe Williams. I want you to test our martini, our special.
Yes, thank you, Joan. These look delicious.
So tell me, how do you 2 lovebirds like married life?
Well, married life is lots of fun.
2 can sleep as cheap as 1. And to think it all started at that picnic in the park.
Yeah, she sure was an impetuous girl, but now she's my babe.
Yes, and you're my Sid.
Yes.
Thank you, Sid and Babe, for joining me in Joan's Kitchen.
Well, thank you, Joan, for inviting us to Joan's Kitchen.
Yes, cheers. Thank
Cheers.
you for watching. And we'll see you next time. And have a happy, happy Valentine's Day. And I want to give a special shout out to my friend Tom Codal, who says he's my biggest fan from Minnesota. Hi, Tom. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.